Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing 3 pages in our Journeys Reader's Notebook. This is Grade 1, Volume 1, and we're in Lesson 11 now. 3 pages we'll be doing are 153, 154, and 155. We're going to start off with spelling, and we're going to read our words, but after we read them, we're going to put them down. Either the spelling word that you are going to learn begins with th, like 3, or it ends with th, like bath. So maybe if I put this down here, move this up, this will work better. Let's see. Okay, maybe, yeah, like that. So what are we doing? We're reading and we're sorting them into whether or not the th is at the beginning of the word or if it's at the end. And in this one, it's the beginning. So this one says this. And here we have, oh, the th is at the end, so it's going to go here. With. When you spell it, remember the th goes at the end after the w sound, with. Will you come with me? Bath. Hey, the th is at the end, remember? In bath, the th is at the end, bath. Time to take a bath. These are our spelling words. That. TH is at the beginning. Then. Then. First, brush your teeth. Then, floss them. 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 Give them a chance. Them. Okay, so there are also 2 more. These are your challenge words. We're going to add them. Well, maybe we'll add them to the bottom of this page. The first challenge word has a th at the end. So this part says 10, 10th, 10th. Like he was the 10th person to go to the office to get a free backpack full of stuff. 10th. I'll put it over here with the ending th words. And thick, thick. Like that sandwich is super thick. I can hardly bite into it. Okay, so what am I going to do? I think I'll just keep these over here in a pile for words that begin with th. And we're going to write those words right here. Words that begin with th. We're going to write all these right here that I'm putting out for you in this row. The last one you'll have to write down here. So let's go ahead and write all of our words that begin with th, okay? There's then, this, is, this, them, give them some cookies too, thick, ick, and then that. We'll write that right here. Actually, this one right here is one of your challenge words, and it's not in this list right here, which you can't see all the way. There you are. Okay, next, we're going to write all of our words that we already sorted that have a th at the end of the word. And that's with, bath, and 10th. How are we going to spell with on our spelling test? Let's see. With. With. Do you want gravy with your potatoes? Bath. How are we going to spell it? B. B spells b. A. A spells a. Bath. What spells th? Th. Bath. Okay. Next one is tenth. Tenth. The 10th person to call in will win $1,000. 10th. Okay, and that's one of our challenge words. I have a funny story. Whenever my dad's family was growing up, they had a watermelon patch. And in the old days, you didn't have to take a bath but once a week. And the only day they took a bath was the night before church. And so instead of having all this sticky red stuff on their arms from eating all that watermelon, they'd go to church all nice and clean. Hardly anyone would recognize them. So anyway, let's go ahead on to the next page. The name of this lesson is Names for People, Animals, Places, and Things. And I wish they would have said special names for people, animals, places, and things, because we're going to be circling proper nouns. Mrs. Gillum, that sounds hard. It's not. Okay, there's the kind of nouns that we don't, okay, that are not proper nouns. And they're just like regular persons, places, things, animals. It's just the common words. We don't capitalize them. They're not special names. So examples of just regular old nouns are this one says teacher, shark, pencil, school. There was not a special name for the teacher. We're not talking about a particular teacher and her special name. We're just talking, random general teacher. Shark, pencil, school. Okay, but if it's a proper noun, and I know you don't know how to read yet, many of you. If it's a proper noun, though, it's the special name of a person, an animal, or a place. Like Fido might be the special name of a dog. Emma might be the special name of a girl. Mrs. Smith might be the special name of a teacher. Walmart might be the special name of a place. And in each case, if it's a special name, you must begin with a capital letter. And if it's someone's name, then both their first name and last name, or their title and last name, begin with a capital letter. So we're going to practice that by circling all the proper nouns that name a special person or animal. We're not going to circle the beginning word just because it has a capital letter, because it might be because it begins a sentence and not because it's a special name of a person, place, or thing or animal. So I'm going to do these with you. Let's see. My friend Kim sees a crab. Kim is the special name of a girl or a woman. My friend Kim sees a crab. So I circled it because it's a proper noun. I didn't circle my because that's not anyone's special name. Stan Bach sees it too. Okay, I know this is a name. Stan Bach is his first name and his second name. I'm going to circle Stan Bach. This is a proper noun. This is a special name of somebody. It begins with capital letters. They call the crab Fred. Fred is a proper noun. It begins with a capital letter because it's a special name. Now it says circle each proper noun that names a special place or thing. So just like people have special names, places can have special names. If I said we went to the zoo, if I were just to write that, zoo would have a lowercase letter because it's just a common noun. But if I said we went to the Carson Zoo, that's a special name of a certain zoo. Carson Zoo. Over here, we walked from Brown Avenue. Brown Avenue is the name of a certain street. So we're going to circle it. It's a proper noun. My favorite show was Talking Birds. If I would have just said, that's my favorite show and not given you the special name, then I wouldn't be circling it when the special name is a proper noun. Okay, moving on. Words that tell how. Oh. So let's first of all draw us the animal. I'm going to pick one that you can draw with me. We're going to make a whale. Remember the blue whale from the story this morning? Oh wait, actually yeah, this morning and yesterday morning. Okay, we're going to make a whale. I'm going to make his flukes. Flukes means his tail fins. And I think I'll make his eye and his big mouth. Those blue whales have big mouths. And I'll make a little flipper right here. And let's see, what else do they have? Oh, since whales are mammals, they have like blowholes that come out of the top of their head. So we're going to make him blowing out some water. Okay, and maybe this is like the air. Okay. And so maybe, anyways, he's coming out of the water to breathe some air. That's our whale. And it says, write sentences about your animal. Listen to the words in the box. Use these words and other words you choose. So we can do some of these. Okay, well, we're first going to say whales right here. Whales. Whales. Now an action verb. Let's see. Here are here's some adjectives. So if we look at these adjectives and read them, maybe we can think of an action verb that goes with them. Softly, loudly, loudly. We can say whales splash loudly. Loudly is a word that tells us more about the action verb. So let's write the word splash. It starts off with a triple cluster. Splash. Splash. Whales splash loudly. So if you're in one of those whale boats and you're a whale watcher and one of them might, I forget the term where they come up out of the water. I think it's called breaching. Maybe they'll splash loudly. So we used loudly. Okay. Whales splash loudly. The word loudly tells us more about the word splash. What kind of splash? It was a loud splash. They splashed loudly. Okay, last one. What's our sea animal? It's a whale. So we're going to say whales. We're sort of like doing some informational writing. How about whales? Do you think they swim slowly, quickly, fast? Huh. I think they're pretty big, so I'm going to say they swim slowly. I might be wrong, but I'm going to say whales swim slowly. Swim. I just imagine that they do slowly. They probably can't swim slowly. Maybe they can swim quickly too. Whales swim slowly. So I have my blend swim, slowly. Slowly. Whales swim slowly. Okay, boys and girls, it's been fun. Until next time, toodaloo.